What's up, data? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now, gold on the lower time frame perspective, we see a significant trading opportunity in this instrument. Now, before we discuss what is, let's do an overall picture how the gold market is doing, and then we'll jump onto this time frame to see how we can trade gold. We'll look at first of all bigger picture monthly time frame. Now the previous months what we have seen that gold has created a candle that is a middleman that has a long wick at the top and also long wick at the bottom, a healthy body in the middle. Why this candle is so significant is that this monthly candle, this red candle, is the breakout candle from this monthly very important level of support. If we draw this approximate support level on the monthly, we see that the price has acted here as support in this zone, and also there is a monthly opening and close. So this is a very very important level of support. Once this candle break this level of support, now what we see that the price is testing this previous support zone here as a resistance, which is also a very very important zone the price is in. From this long week of the previous months, from this zone we can expect now gold to reject, and as this is a long term bearish market, it is highly likely that gold is likely to drop from this zone. Now, looking at the weekly perspective, we see that weekly price action is also highly bearish. You see that there is a big long bearish engulfer that has engulfed this narrow weekly doji completely. Now from that zone we see gold so far has created a lower high and lower time frame. On the lower time frame we see a significant rejection. Now during the NFP what we could potentially see, could probably see a spike to the upside. Either it could create a higher high and then could drop, or remain lower high and then could continue to drop, as this is a long term bearish market. So then how we can approach the market? Let's look at the daily time frame. Now on the daily perspective we see that the price action here, you can see there is a, first of all on the daily there is a drop with this long candle, followed by the next day, the yesterday, we have seen a narrow doji has been formed. So what is likely to happen in this market? What I think that during the NFP we could potentially see a breakout of this level or respecting this trend line and then continue to drop during this NFP news release. So let's look at now intraday perspective how we can find a trading opportunity, in what situation we could trade. Now you can see this is the 4 hour time frame and we have seen primarily a double top here, and then the price has broken down. Currently the price moving in this sideway, which is a narrow range. So what I think that there are two possible scenario. One scenario is, you can see there is a doji here, the price could reach this zone here to the upside, could create a lower high with that doji. If we see the price action rejected from this top of this doji creating a lower high, that is the sign that the price will remain within this level, could respect this high of the doji. In that case we will consider shorting gold from this zone according to the rules of our strategies. On the other hand, if we see that gold has made an aggressive move to the upside, we'll remain observant. In that case, if we see potential a false breakout of this level, and then if it come back below close as a doji, that's the sign that gold is preparing for a bigger move to the downside. In that case also we'll consider shorting gold as soon as the doji will be formed according to the rules of our strategies to take this move to the downside with our students with a high probability trade setup. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.